All right, I'm excited and I really want to get this started. But first, coffee. Let's go. By the way, I just wanted to say Divevolk is not sponsoring anything. I've purchased all of this with my own money. I'm just an enthusiastic diver and I'm super excited to be testing this out. There you have it. That took me about an hour or so to figure out how to assemble it all with interruption. I guess on to the water test. Okay, so I guess this is it. It's all assembled and ready to go. So I've popped the travel case back on. I really like this because it protects the lens as well as the back membrane. I also really like the wrist strap that it comes with. It's kind of self-closing, which is nice. It's easy to get in and out of, although realistically I would usually clip that to my PC. Okay, the setups that I have chosen, as you've seen, is the dome for split shots. That is waterproof until 3 meters, so that will be a kind of snorkeling situation. I have also chosen the wide angle wet lens because I love shooting wide angle. And then I've also got a +5 macro diopter. Haven't shot a lot of macro because I get really nauseous looking through the viewfinder when I shoot macro. So hopefully with the iPhone and the bigger screen, I will fare a little bit better. And I'm actually really excited to get into macro photography and videography. And also the red filters or any filters that screw onto the clam can be screwed on, and then on top of those filters you can then screw on the wet lenses. But I'm actually planning for my first dive to put the housing on a tray with a video light. So that's the plan. I guess it always takes a little bit of time when you have a new rig. You try different configurations, you get used to the ergonomics of what you're working with, and then you sort of perfect it over time. So I guess the only thing left to do is go for a dive. Wow, what a dive. That Linda's really delivered today. Amazing. We had sea dragons galore, and I think we saw 3 different stingrays. absolutely amazing. I can't wait to get into the photos and the footage. Very happy with the housing.